As you see from my shirt, subscribe, follow, support. Let's push this at the bag we are.
Think plan be gone. Think plan be gone. When the baby come see, no be hard.
So make we move on to 5 carbons. We see 3 carbons, 4 carbons, 5 carbons. This will be 5 carbons, okay? So first one will be parent, and then a continuous chain, which will be very easy. So we get, again, the green one will be your parent, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The black one will be your substituent, where it be continuous. So it be continuous there, we go say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 be pent, then go add YL to it. So it will be pentyl. So this will be easy, The next one, we get parent for here. Make we just rearrange this guy. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The same 5 carbons, but different rearrangement. So make we just rearrange them this way. Rearrangement, they chemistry. Wow. So you see, we get parent for here. Then 1 carbon, 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 2 carbon. Then we get Y attached to it. So you spy this one. If you cover this side, it will be Y you see. You see catapult. If it be catapult, it will be iso. I mean the same. So this one will be iso, but the name you go add, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will be Isopentyl. We saw isopropyl. Propyl will be 3 carbons, but they in the shape of Y or catapult. So it will be isopropyl. If it be 4 carbons, we they catapult, or Y shape, it will be isobutyl. If it be 5 carbons, we they catapult insider or Y shape, it will be isopentyl. So this one will be isopentyl. But assuming say you need to want to use isopentyl, right? You just don't want to use the IUPAC system, no? If you don't want to use IUPAC system, it be easy. Try this guy. This be parent. So you cover the parent. Then name, number this one. So you go say 1, 2, 3, 4. So you get longest continuous chain will be 4. Then you see say we get 1 carbon attached to this carbon for here, but this carbon it get position in position it be 1, 2, 3. It be 3 carbon position 3. So it will be 3 on this position, 3 metal, because this be 1 carbon meth. So 3 because this one day position number 3 metal, and then the continuous chain be 1, 2, 3, 4. And after you say 4 carbons be boot, just add YL. So it will be position 3 metal, because it be 1 carbon, 3 metal butyl, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 metal butyl. Very simple. How about this one? The same 5 carbons, but it's arranged differently, because we get 1 carbon for here, 1 carbon for there, then carbon number 2. I said akoko9 no. Wow, pechekin bia no nim akoko9 the way akoko9 na aye no. Sana we ni so na waye. Nti no. Akoko9 so no ye different name the man no. One line no. Nti carbon we 1, 2, 3. Akoko9. We nya waye, what do you mean can't say we waye that? Because the way I adna shaping akoko9. Akoko9 means and a double. Akoko9 is akoko9 your friend Neopentyl. So pentyl no, it is a pen, it is a 5 carbons and a YL. YL now be so much as a substituent. Substituent be the YL and a social. Into a pentyl. But the common name no for adibia ya akoko9 be na 5 carbons. Your friend Neo. Umbezo beka Neo na your system a obetim their name. Into we Neopentyl, akoko9 Neo NEO Neopentyl. Yemfa IUPAC system no. IUPAC system is simple. We a parent. we a parent o number we start for 1 2 3 so line into what identify with continuous carbon chain 3 carbons. This is we name a freeze no and then be a substituent on a substituent. What is it? Ain't no I want say a continuous carbon chain 1 2 3 into 3 no actual to you be friend sign 4 power 3 proper na to 3 me twan 3 what 3 proper na we why are there see say this one day here and this one too day here it about so we get 2 carbons 1 carbon 2 carbons on the same carbon position 2 into 1 2 when you 1 2 2 way no 2 carbons on top of it into say carbon way any carbon way omu now with the same position as obobo no bia she JC 16 the hometown ye na bobora JC no bia is number 16 you know obi committee for kwa say number 16 no bia as around but obi is number 16 into we be number 2 we dey ba into be 2 so what is eba cause ni na the same carbon na aba share the same carbon position 2 into I say no we are now position number 2 we are position number 2 adentia because ni me enu na no ewo carbon position 2 we no middle one 1 2 into no substituent we na no ewo the same carbon position 2. I'm stressing on it because I don't want you to get confused, okay? This is 1 carbon, you ever find saying methyl. This is 1 carbon, you ever find saying methyl. Into methyl, we are twins. We now the same name. Methyl, and you woman now with the same edana. You woman now the same edana. Into any omina no ebede abina and kwabna. What is it? The same edana. Methyl on the same position 2. Into be 2 dimethyl because I didn't hear 2. I did be 2 near friend die. 1 a mono. 2 dimethyl 1 2 3 continuous carbon chain here proper on the card chart. What I say? And the name means no. Which numbers are the comma eba? Into which 2 now the comma ba? Into be 2, 2 dimethyl. What I say? Which 2, 2 now the dash ashe number ne word and term to be 2, 2 dash dimethyl propyl. What is it? 2 dimethyl propyl. This is KokoChem Education YouTube channel. Always remember that practice makes permanent. So when you aje any video no ho a no wasua bibi afrimu a leave a comment. I would love to hear from you. Share it with a friend and please subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.